5 things you must know before taking collagen supplements. Watch this first. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If you're just seeing me for the first time, hello. I'm Anita Akoja, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, we'll talk about skincare, beauty tips, and skincare routine that helps to give you a radiant, beautiful, and flawless skin. If you love skincare, make sure you watch this video and watch it to the end, and also hit that subscribe button, alright? If you love skincare, subscribe to this channel for more skincare tips. Yeah, you'll be getting more updated skincare tips every week on a weekly basis. So on every week, I post 3 weekly skincare videos. So you don't want to miss it, alright? So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get notified anytime I post new videos. And don't forget to drop your comments for me. You have questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to also share this video. Yeah, you all the people you know that love skincare in your family, your friends, share this video to each and every one of them, alright? So let's dive straight into the video. There are reasons why people start taking collagen supplements. It's not something you just go over the counter or go to the pharmacy or go to the market and just go and get collagen supplements. It's not something you just pick or you just choose to go and start taking. You must have reasons why you take them. So I'll be sharing like 5 things you need to know before you start taking collagen supplements. If you don't know these things, you might be taking it wrongly. Yeah, you might just be taking it the wrong way. So make sure you watch this video and watch it to the end, because number 2 and number 4 is where most people get it wrong. Yes. 1 is the real reason why you need collagen. What is the reason? Why are you taking it in the first place? Why do you need collagen? Yes, so you might need collagen for different reasons. Maybe you have wrinkles, you have sagging skin, your skin is sagging, or you're having wrinkles, or you have weak joints, or you're losing your hair, thinning hair. You know, these are reasons why you need collagen. Let's say you're losing your hair, you're having alopecia. Take collagen, it will help you grow your hair. Yeah, so collagen is good for hair loss. It's good for sagging skin. Let's say your skin is sagging. You need collagen for sagging skin. You are getting wrinkles, you know, you are noticing some wrinkles behind your eyes or on your face or any part of your body. That is a really good reason why you should take collagen. Collagen helps with sagging skin, all right? If you're getting wrinkles, collagen can help reduce you getting wrinkles. So these are reasons why you need collagen. It's good to know the reasons why you need collagen so that you don't waste your money, because trust me, these collagen supplements are not cheap. They don't come cheap. They are very expensive. Yeah, they are very expensive. So you need to know why you are taking it so that you're not wasting money when taking your collagen. You're not just taking it because you want to take it. You're not just taking it because you see someone taking it. You're taking it because you really need it. Maybe you're having weak joints. You take collagen, it will really help. Or you're aging faster. You take collagen, it helps to slow down your aging because it helps to produce enough. It's replacing the collagen that you're losing. So as we are aging, our body is losing collagen level is reducing in your body. So you take supplements to be able to replenish the collagen that your body is losing as you're aging. So if you know the reason why you're taking it, then it is better. The first thing is, why are you taking it? These collagen supplements, like I said, are not cheap. Right? They are not. Like, I've seen one collagen supplement when I went to the pharmacy the last time. I saw the price. I was like, what? Like in Nigeria, if you're going to get collagen supplements, it's almost 100k, almost 100,000 naira, and that's almost like, let's say it's more than $50. It's more than 50. It's above 50. Let's say like $70 to $80, and that's like 100k here in Nigeria. So you know that these things are not cheap. Number 2, get the right type of collagen. So there are different types of collagen. There's type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5. So do you know the type of collagen you are taking? If you're taking collagen, which type of collagen are you taking? 1 is for skin, hair, and nails. Type 2 is to support your joints and your cartilage. Type 3 is to help skin elasticity and firmness. Type 4 is supports your skin structure. And type 5 helps with your hair and cell growth. Alright, so these are the 5 types of collagen supplements that you should know. And if you want to specify when you go to the pharmacy, let's say your goal is to have a glowy skin, then you should go for supplements, for collagen supplements that contain type 1 and type 3. Supplements for just skin alone can contain 1 and 3. There are supplements for all that has type 1 to 5. You can go for that one if that's what you want. If your aim is to get all, like you want for hair, your nails and everything. So your goal is for hair, then you can go for 1 and 5. 5 is for hair. Type 1 and type 5 is for hair. So you can just specify and go for the one that is just be specific. Choose the one that you want. Like, go for what you really want. That's what you should focus on, because not all supplements are the same. All right. Number 3, check your daily habits and lifestyle. Yes. So, can you take collagen supplements daily? Yes, you can. You can take collagen supplements every day, but if your habits are bad, it would not work. Trust me. If you have bad habits, yeah, those bad habits of not eating well or not doing the right thing for your body, then you're wasting it. It will not work. Trust me, your collagen supplements, you're just wasting money because it will not work on your body. What are these bad habits? What are these bad or poor habits that you have that might just be affecting your collagen supplements and making it not to work? Number 1 is too much sugar. I have one here in this house that takes too much sugar. Some people, sugar lovers, answer. I have, I live with one that takes sugar every day. Like, he loves sugar. Oh my God. Sugar junkie. I have a sugar junkie in my house. I'm living with one, so I know what I'm saying. I'm talking from experience. Too much sugar will affect your collagen. All right? That's a bad habit. Too much sugar is bad habits. I'm stressing it so that you hear. Too much sugar is bad habits. Then smoking. Number 2. 1 is too much sugar. 2, smoking is a bad habit. It will affect your collagen. 3, lack of sleep. That one is me. Oh, I don't get enough sleep. Lack of sleep affects your collagen as well. Then too much sun exposure. If you are too much exposed to the sun, you are always going out and always exposed to the sun, it also affects you. So these are habits that you should stay away. All right, these are habits that you should stop if you want collagen. You want your collagen supplements to really work. All right, these are things you should know before taking collagen. Smoking, you have to stop smoking. You have to reduce your sugar consumption. If you're used to taking too much sugar, if you can do away with sugar, maybe replace sugar with honey. Take a little honey than sugar, or just do away with sugar or honey. Just take your tea like that. It is not that bad. Trust me, it is not that bad. I do it a lot. I do it all the time. I take tea without sugar. I take, my green tea without sugar. It's even nice. I don't know, but sugar lovers will not like what I'm saying. But that's the truth. You can take some of these things without sugar, and it helps your body. All right. Then get enough sleep. Sleep, like, I cannot overemphasize on sleep. Your body needs sleep. There's nothing like too much sleep. You need sleep, all right? Your body recharges when you are sleeping. So you need to recharge your body when you go to sleep. So that's why you need enough sleep so that your body recharges and you get yourself. Do you understand? So you need good sleep, all right? So make sure you get enough sleep. These are habits that you should check. Your lifestyle and your habits are things you need to know before you start taking collagen. So if you're taking collagen and you're taking too much sugar, you're just wasting your money. You're taking collagen, you're not getting good sleep, you're wasting your money. You're taking collagen, you're smoking and thinking you are taking it for your skin, it's going to give you a fresh skin. In fact, I read somewhere they said smoking is one of the reasons why you age faster. Smoking makes you age faster. Yes, I saw it. Major reason why people age faster, 1 is smoking. And if you're taking collagen for anti-aging and you are smoking, trust me, you're wasting your time, because that smoking is what is affecting your skin. It's making you age. If only you can even stop smoking, then trust me, you will not age faster again. Like, it's your I've seen pictures of before and after of people that started smoking and stopped smoking. The difference is clear. Like the difference is 100%. You will just notice that when they were smoking, they were darker and older. When they stopped smoking, they become like they automatically switch and change to a younger, they start looking younger and fresher. Smoking affects your skin. It's one major thing that affects our skin and makes you age faster. So if you can just do away with smoking, you start looking younger. You may not even need the collagen after all. If you really want results, you really want your collagen to work for you, drink enough water. Eat healthy. Fruits, veggies. Don't miss your fruits, your veggies. They are very important. Take protein, foods rich in protein, high in protein, foods high in collagen. In fact, I have a video where I talked about foods that are high in collagen that will help your skin. You need to watch that video. Yeah, check my video, foods that are high in collagen. Watch that video and you get all the information that you need of the type of foods you should take that will help your skin, that will give you collagen naturally. Your body, because your body produces collagen, but there are foods that you can take that will support your collagen production. All right, so watch that video. After eating healthy, sunscreen. Always use your sunscreen. It helps, especially with your skin. Anti-aging. Make sure you use your sunscreen daily. Not just use sunscreen, use it on a daily basis. Then sleep properly. Get enough sleep. I've said it before. You're not getting sleep, your collagen will not work. Your collagen supplements will not work. You're just wasting money. So get good sleep. Eat good food. Eat good, rich collagen. Foods rich and high in collagen. Eat those kind of foods. Your collagen supplements will definitely work. You will start seeing results. But if you're not doing all these things, trust me, you won't see results. Those habits are what you're doing that is making your collagen not to work. So if only you can just switch, start doing the right things for your skin or for your body, then you definitely see results. It's as easy as that. Like no two ways. As easy as ABC, right? So let's move to the next one. Number 4, you need vitamin C. So your body needs vitamin C. Vitamin C supports collagen production in your body, all right? So there are foods that you need to take that will help the production of collagen, that will help support your collagen production in your body. So your body needs vitamin C, all right? Your body needs vitamin C to produce collagen properly. Yes, it produces collagen, all right? But as you're aging, your body needs vitamin C to help it. Vitamin C is like a booster. Energy drinks are like boosters that helps you, gives you extra energy. That's the same thing. Vitamin C is a booster for your collagen. So if you're taking collagen, take it with vitamin C because it helps to support your collagen production in your body. It helps your collagen. It helps to produce it properly. That's the word I should use, properly. It helps to produce collagen in your body properly. So make sure you're taking collagen. Make sure you're taking fruits or veggies that contains vitamin C, like lemon, pineapples, oranges, all these bell peppers. Bell peppers are high in vitamin C. So make sure you take, if you want a natural way of taking vitamin C instead of taking supplements, you can take vitamin C supplements with your collagen supplements, or you can just choose to, let me just get it from natural sources, which are fruits and veggies that we take. So you can take it from bell peppers. Eat a lot of bell peppers. It's high, especially bell peppers are high in vitamin C. Beetroot also contains vitamin C. Fresh ones, not the once you boil your beetroot, you've killed the vitamin C in beetroot. So if you're taking beetroot, make sure you blend it and drink it fresh. Nothing like hot. It doesn't need warm water or hot water. You don't need to cook it or boil it or steam it. Just take it fresh, blend it and drink. Very high in vitamin C. Just think of vitamin C as something that activates collagen in your body. So when you're taking collagen supplements, take it with vitamin C, foods or veggies or supplements. Number 5, results take time. So finally, be patient. Collagen is not a quick fix. Most people see collagen as okay, once they start taking it, they expect it to start working in 1 week or 2 weeks. No, it doesn't work that way. Collagen supplements is not a quick fix. Give it time. Once you start taking it, expect to see results in 4 to 8 weeks. Yes, so in a month or in 2 months, you definitely see results if you're doing it the right way. So it's not just about you taking it, it's about you taking it the right way. So if you're taking it for your skin, you definitely see results after 4 to 8 weeks. But if you're taking it for your hair and joints, you see results after 8 to 12 weeks. So don't expect to see results immediately you start taking it. Don't take it after 2, 3 days or 5 days and you expect, oh, I'm still feeling pain. Why is my joint still paining me and I'm taking collagen? So if you take it and stop and start again, it's like you're wasting your time. Take it and continue. Don't buy just one pack of collagen and say, okay, I just finished taking one. That's, let's say, for 30 days. You bought for 30 days and you just finished taking it and you expect it to, you expect to see result after 30 days. You have to take it for like 2 months. So if you take the first one, you don't see result, take again, continue taking. With time, you definitely see results. All right, with time, you have to continue. You have to be consistent. They say take it daily, take it daily. Follow the prescription. Follow the way they say you should take it. All right, and do it well and follow this lifestyle. Then definitely it will definitely work. For natural skincare tips, watch this playlist. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you find it helpful. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more skincare tips. I'm Anita Akoja. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.